Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a 4x6 Traveler's Notebook layout that I titled Spring is in the Air, and I'm using the free digital scrapbooking collection Come Alive that I share as a freebie on my blog MistyHilltops.com, so you can go and check it out. So here I am starting with a background paper pattern. This is actually it's for a traveler's notebook, so it has the rubber band collecting the pages, and this one is actually between two booklets basically, so that's why they kind of are separating the pages there, but they will be a little more together in the book once it's all placed back in there. So now I'm just layering the various pattern papers on top of each other, and then there comes the photo, and that basically finishes the background, and then all I need to do is just some more embellishing, and the embellishments are a mixture of just prints that I then also cut out, or that come with this collection Come Alive, or just some of my dies. So here I have photo corners that come with this collection. They kind of look like green burlap, and I wanted to add those onto my photo. They're not really photo corners, they're just make-believe photo corners, so they just are glued on top if I am using this in a real project, but obviously you could also use it for digital scrapbooking. Then this butterfly comes with the collection. I just fussy cut it, and then the flowers are dies. I think all the flowers are from a die set there, so I just used the dies to cut them out, and then watercolored everything in colors that I hoped would coordinate with the colors of this collection. So here I am always I'm trying to cluster things a little with a large flower and then some smaller flowers, and then just have these clusters there. And then there is this little piece, so some of them are still parts that come with it as a collection there, and I just use a circle die to cut out that piece, and then I fussy cut those flowers there that also come with this collection. And then I have these word bits, and the word bits I'm sharing as freebie on my blog MistyHilltops.com. They come in 4 different versions, some colored, some just black and white, and some just not colored at all, so you can choose whichever way you want to print them if you want to use them in your project. They're spring themed and are available at MistyHilltops.com. So here I am working on adding more flowers to my page there, and just trying to create a scattering effect. And then I have more word strips to go with that cluster there. I try to work in clusters so that things go with each other and together, and not just float around randomly on a page, but that there is some connection there. And then I have one more cluster to work with that will go on that. And here I am actually going to stamp, and I am usually very hesitant to stamp on a page where I already have something on the background, because I'm really scared that there might be parts of the page that are not taking the ink of the stamp. So I try to use it lightly, and I think it worked out pretty well. So I'm okay with how it turned out, the stamp, and this stamp gives me my title for this page. And then I have this little tag that comes with the collection that I just cut out. But basically I was taking a risk here with the fact that I was going to stamp on something that has something bulky on the background, and it could just as well happen that the ink, wherever the bulk is the least, the ink would not take the color. So that's always a concern that I have. That's why I don't stamp a lot of times directly onto the page, simply because I'm afraid when I'm using pages where there's something directly on the back side of the paper. Now, if I was working on its own sheet, as I have done for my other scrapbook mini albums, then I don't mind to stamp directly onto the page, because I know it'll just take it well, the ink. But especially when things are uneven. Anyway, this is my page done. I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.